Hi, for today's teardown we have this not one but two Collins HF control box for military aircraft, I believe. So I got them for a quite good deal on French eBay. I got them both for 30 euros, which is a nice price because it seems they are actually quite expensive. Even if it is not complicated inside, as you will see. So I have two of them. Actually, by swapping some parts I was able to do a half good one, okay for keeping in collection at least. So it is the control box 714E-3, excuse me. This one is serial number 250, so it is nice, it is a round serial number. Collins Radio Company in Cedar Rapids, of course. NATO stock number here. Custom connector cap from water bottle cap. And it is a regular high frequency radio controller with your USB, LSB, AM data and CW, whatever it is. The left button will control the two digits here, and the three other ones will control the three other digits. Your two regular light bulb holders for backlight, and a squelch potentiometer here. Regular thus mountings, and very nice greenish aluminum cover. What else? Ah yes, all the set screws in this device are Bristol spline. They look like Torx, but if you look closely you see it is not Torx. It is something special, and you really need the correct tool to undo them. If you try with Island or Torx, first you will not find the correct size, and then it will ruin the shape of the head, and it will ruin the screw. So they are expensive. This is like $20, but when you deal with US made avionics you really need them. Okay, so the other one is in worse condition. The corners here were bent. The cover is all damaged. The paint, I did swap the faceplate. The paint, no, this one is quite bad also, so I do not know what I will do with this one. Either I will resell it on eBay to try to refund my purchase. It should be possible, I believe. Or I will take it apart, I don't know. But for the teardown we will open this one. They are actually exactly the same inside. Serial number on this one is 563. So it is a little bit older, but for some reason this one is quite worn out. But even I have seen damaged ones on eBay much more expensive price than what I paid. So here is what we have. Cover nothing, quite a serious construction, but before we have a look I will try to undo a few more screws. It will allow to have a better look. Okay, all the screws did come off with no too many trouble, because they are of course typically Imperial aircraft grade screws, but with lock nuts. So I do not like to use a power tool on these screws because you have to feel the resistance of the screw when it is coming off, but I use a diamond coated screwdriver at least. So a little bit of damage on this plate here from a shock it did receive. I will try to correct it before I put it back together. And now we can have a good look. I can put this on the side. So the connector has gold pins. It is a solder kind of connector, so it is possible at least to retrieve it. Your regular springs here for the cover screws, and we have mainly in here a whole bunch of wafer switches, all connected to this very nice counter assembly. You can see very serious construction, everything made of metal and of non-magnetic metal actually, except for some hardware. Everything else is non-magnetic in here, and I did just lose my magnet, so quite nice. So we have, you can see all the buttons mounted in the same way with right angle gears here, and at the end wafer switch. Nice wiring. I believe even these dials here are metal, it seems. Not easy to tell. Okay, here we have the other side. Very nice construction, as you can see. Little bit of cleaning. Here the squelch potentiometer branded Rion, dead code of 74 it seems, is, will you see it, made in Israel. Not really usual, and apart from it, some golden contacts here on this wafer switch, here also, and silver coating. Very nice wiring with these standoffs to attach the wires. Not usual, I believe it is the first time I see them. Everything hand laced. Your regular backlight bulb holders, and I believe it is also no really a whole bunch of electronics in this, just switches. But really well constructed. As you can see, all the buttons are still working really well. So anyways, a nice piece to look at, and the good one will be a nice addition to my collection. Now I will put this one back together also before I decide what to do with it. Really nice equipment. So thanks for watching, bye bye.